Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and cleaning with me today. I hope you guys choose to subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already subscribed. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. So we're gonna go ahead and start off in my bedroom right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed. Then I'm going to polish and organize my dresser and side tables and then do some vacuuming. Normally, the bedroom is not a place that I show often in cleaning videos because most of my time is spent cleaning when my son is sleeping, but since my son is now napping in his nursery upstairs, I'm able to show my room more often in these videos. Now that I am finished vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and clear off my dresser and do some polishing. And as you can see right here on the screen, this very large, I don't know if it was like a wine bottle, is full of change, and that is where me and my husband keep all of our extra change, and he jokes around that that is Jacob's college fund. But I'm going to hopefully move it out of where it is right now because I don't like having it behind the photograph. If anything, I'll probably just hide it behind my jewelry box and we can still add to it. And as you can see behind me, or rather next to me in the corner of the room, is my husband's hamper as well as a little drawer set that he has. I'm not going to touch that because he knows where everything belongs and I don't want to mix up something that I think is dirty where it's actually clean, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. And this standing mirror, I love this mirror. This was a present from my parents. I believe I got it 2 years ago, or maybe a little bit longer. I really don't remember, but I think this mirror is so pretty. I really like the antique look of it. Now we are moving into my entryway, which again is another place that I do not show. I actually think this is the first time that I am showing it, but this is our entry area. This is the table that's kind of like a little catch-all. We have a little stand for mail as well as a little glass bowl for our keys, and right now I'm just going through some old gift cards, making sure that I throw away what I know has expired as well as putting them where I know that we will not forget them, and then I'm going to go ahead and clear it off and polish it up. And I really like the way that it comes out. The blue becomes so much more vibrant. I kind of forgot how bright this table was. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum up this area before I move on into the dining room. We are in my dining room now, and I'm going to go ahead and polish the table before I fold Jacob's clothes. And while I'm folding his clothes, I'm going to go ahead and watch Beauty and the Beastins. I know that they are having a little girl, and I have not watched the episode, well, not the episode, but like their YouTube video where they reveal the little girl's name. So I'm going to go ahead and watch that now. I'm going to go ahead and put Jacob's folded clothes into the bins where they belong. Now I know this is not the neatest system, but it works and everything has its place. Since Jacob is slowly starting to move upstairs, this is only temporary. Once he starts sleeping upstairs overnight, I'm going to go ahead and move all his clothing upstairs and this area will be gone and redecorated. We are now in the kitchen and I'm going to go ahead and clear off the countertops, unload the dishwasher, load it back up with the few dirty dishes that we have right now, clean the countertops, and do some vacuuming. So while I am putting the dishes into the dishwasher, I am also watching another YouTube video. Right now I am watching Brittany Vassar as she is organizing her son Carter's toys. She does amazing videos about organization. If you guys have not heard of her or seen any of her videos, which I would be very surprised if you haven't heard of her, definitely go check her out. Her name is Brittany Vassar. So if you guys have watched my other cleaning videos about the kitchen, then you guys will know that I have been having some difficulties trying to get off the baked on crud that gets on the stoves while you're cooking, especially on a glass top ceramic stove. That can be a real big challenge. I have been wanting to order a scraper, but the one that I want is always sold out. So last night my husband took a razor to the stove and oh my gosh, the outcome was night and day. The stovetop looks brand new. I could not believe all that stuff was actually stuck onto it. I took a picture and showed my friend what was stuck on there, and I'm so happy he took it off. The stovetop looks brand new. So if you have trouble with removing burnt on gunk, go ahead and use a razor blade to remove it. We are now in the living room and I'm just going to go ahead and put some vet information into my little file folder, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my keyboard into the coffee table. That little area that I just lifted up is where I keep all of my video recording equipment, my tripod, my keyboard. I have a ring light in there as well. And I bought that keyboard. If you guys are like me and you do editing for videos on your phone, definitely try ordering a keyboard. It really helps when you have to do a lot of typing. If you're like me and you hate typing on that little tiny touchscreen keypad, go ahead and order a Bluetooth keyboard and it's a huge lifesaver. Please don't forget to look in my description box. I have added several Amazon links. I have a short list of cleaning products that I like, baby products that I like, as well as the 2 tripods that I use when I am filming. The last thing I need to do is fold this blanket and fluff up my pillows, but that is it for this video, guys. If you guys made it all the way to this point, thank you so much for cleaning along with me. I hope this video gave you guys a lot of good cleaning motivation. And if you guys are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. please hit that bell notification so that you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload a new video at least 3 times a week. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back. It truly means a lot to me, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!